Ano na?
Prutas na malutong.
What's malutong?
Prutas na malutong.
Apple.
Naka-headset ka pag ito ang trabaho mo.
Call center agent.
Masarap na luto sa tuna.
Grilled tuna.
Let's go, Lovey.
The first question is how much you love skydiving? And she said 1.
Gaano mo ka gusto mag-skydiving? 1. Ang sabi ng survey sa 1 ay... Wow.
Correct! Top answer! First time in the history, scale of 1 to 10. And then she said 1. Top answer!
Boom!
Yay!
Prutas na malutong. Sabi mo ay... apple.
What's a malutong?
Survey says...
Yes!
Naka-headset ka pag ito ang trabaho mo. Sabi mo, call center agent.
Meron yan! Top answer! Yay! 1 last!
Masarap na luto sa tuna, inihaw na tuna.
Inihaw na tuna, parang...
Yes.
Wow! Last Monday talaga yung kay James Reid. 188 points. Sign lang talaga eh. Kung naging top answer silang lahat, pa-beat namin yung record. 177.
Si Lovely nakukuha ng 177.
What?
So, ibig sabihin-
Sayang! 11 by 188, which was the previous record.
Parang,
Nalo mo yun kay Kuya Eli?
That's all you need.
Eli, I do not know who.
At this point,
Nag-188 siya eh.
Kung saan man sila nanonood.
Grabe naman. Hanep!
Give me 25 seconds on the clock, please.
Good luck, Ate Kat.
Good luck.
That's Catherine Bernardo.
On a scale of 1 to 10, kaya ang pinakamataas, gaano ka excited? Gaano mo ka gustong mag-skydiving? Go.
8.
Karaniwan
Wow.
masakit sa'yo pagising mo.
Ulo. Correct!
Butas na malutong.
Apple.
Aside from that,
Ba?
Naka-headset ka pag ito ang trabaho mo.
Call center.
Bukod sa
DJ.
call center, DJ.
Okay.
Masarap na luto sa tuna.
Depende ito.
inihaw or grilled tuna, they're the same, right? I said that.
23 points.
Grilled tuna.
Sabi mo, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano mo ka gusto mag-skydiving?
Ganda naman ni Ate Catherine, no?
Sabi ng survey natin ay...
Wale!
Ayaw nila kasi takot sila. So 1. Yan ang top answer.
Sayang!
Anyway,
Totoo? Okay. It's okay.
karaniwang masakit sa'yo pagising mo, ulo. Yes.
Pwede! Top answer yun! I knew it!
Ang top answer, Ligot, prutas na
Malapit na!
may bayabas.
Waba!
Ang bayabas.
1 point lang.
Pwede sa si bayabas. Ang top answer ay mansanas. Ito.
The last one is DJ. Of course, you need to wear headphones if you're a DJ, and that's life. If you're a DJ, you get to wear earphones to rock the house. Yes! Hot left! Yun ang gusto ko na yun sa Family Feud. I-DJ mo yan para i-rock ko yung house. Ng Family Feud. Anong sabi ng survey? Family Feud. Anong sabi? Family Feud. Saka mo lang manalo. Family Feud. Tama tayo. Family Feud. Yay! Galing naman. Hanep!
Ipapaglabas namin pelikula
Hanep.
naman. Hello, Love.
Hanep.
This coming
Hanep.
13 na po yan.
Hanep! Ang pogi mo, Kuya Dog!
Kuya, Family Feud and GMA. Grabe, ang saya.
Sayang lang yung 188
Gulat ako na umabot.
minus 11. Hanep!
Kami, again,
Pero if you want to watch that video yung kay James Reid, better watch it. You will see how intensive it is. Yung 188 na yan. Galing, no?
This is under GMA Pictures and Star Cinema. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Great job. Good luck.
Wow! Everybody's saying cut them! Hanep!
Birthday ngayon. So sana magkita-kita po tayo ulit mamaya sa Amazing Earth, 9:35 p.m.
Yes po, Kuya Dong! And we'll see you there sa...
At muli maraming salamat Pilipinas. Ako si Ding Dong Dantes, araw-araw na maghahatid ng saya at papremyo. Kaya makihula at manalo dito sa...
Family Feud! Goodbye, everybody! Don't forget to watch Hello Love Again!